Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode. After that, you can record an empty space for a few seconds, maybe within the space of 5 seconds to 7 seconds. Then you walk in. Then you use this rubber, watch what I did, go down, then use it to do as if you are wiping out yourself. Do it from your toe to your head above. Yes, to your head above. Then after that, you release the rubber to fall. Then go by one side, throw the something up like you just see me do. Then you walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Click on new project, import the video you just recorded. Then at this point, click on the video, go and look for volume. Then you click on volume and reduce the noise. That is, if you like, this one is by choice. Then after that, you come back. You need an empty space for this work. You click and go. Click on the video now. Click on the video, make a split. Then you look for overlay. Look for overlay. Look for overlay. You add an overlay. Click on overlay here. Then click and hold this one and drag it to cover the first layer. So at this point, you click on the video to remove the unwanted parts. When recording the unwanted parts, the parts you don't want, click and make a split. Then you come here. I don't need this part. I click and make a split. Click on the middle one and delete. Then you click on this one. You adjust it to align with the other one. Click on this very one now, drag it, then come and align it here, make it to align. Then you click on the first layer, which is the empty background, and look for freeze. This is freeze. Click on freeze, click and hold and drag it. Yes, then you come to the video now. Come to the video, this part, at this part where you left the stick, where you release the stick, where the stick is falling down. Click on the video now. Click on the video, then you make a split. Then you adjust. Yes, this part where you threw the stick now, you click on the video and make a split. Delete this center part, we don't need it again. Click on this one and hold it to drag to align with this one. Then at this point now, this point where the stick landed on the ground, this place, click on the video, make a split. Delete this last part, we don't need it again. Then you confront this place where the stick is on the ground, exact this point, click and make a split. Then you come and locate freeze so that the stick will remain on the ground for some time. Locate freeze, click on freeze. So if you look at it and it's too long, if it seems to be too long to you, you can click on it and make a split and delete some part. After you watch the freeze part of it, if you feel it's too long, click on it, make a split and delete some parts so that it will not be so or too long. Your video will not be too long. After that, then you come back now, locate this place. Yes, this place now. Go and look for mask. As you click it, at this exact point, look for mask. Look for mask. Look for mask. Click on mask. Click on rectangle. Then you come and click invert. Click on invert. Then drag that square down. Then adjust it. At this point, adjust it very well to that place where your hand was. Then you click on keyframe. After that, you click on keyframe now. Then you adjust the video. As you adjust the video, you click on this arrow. Then you take it to the exact point where your hand is. Then you adjust the video again. This place you have to do it gradually so that you don't make mistake. Make your own to look professional. You know, here I'm teaching, so I just want to do it for you to see. So you calm down, you can take your time here to do it. So you are adjusting the video, you are adjusting the line. The keyframe will be adding automatically. You only just adjust the video, adjust the line to align with your hand. It should not be more than that line and that your rod or your plastic, whatever you are using. You adjust it, you adjust the video. Make sure it's always at the point of your hand where your object is. So you continue to do it like that until you finish it. You can see at this point you just finish it. You just finish it up. At this point the video is now ready. You play it and see whether it's okay. If it is not okay, you can now take your time to adjust and make some necessary adjustments. You can see it here. Yeah. At the point of playing it, you see if it is not good, you make the necessary adjustments. So before we continue, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials and updates. Click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. You are welcome to the tutorial. So at this point where you threw the stick, you click on the video now. You will click on the video. Yes, at this point where you threw the stick, click on the video. As you click on the video, you want to look for mask. Go and locate mask. Locate mask. Click on mask. Click on circle. Click on circle. Then adjust it to the point of this your hand. Yes. Then at this point, click on the video and move front a bit so that you will see the video clearly when your hand went out. So I'll be sure that the circle covers everything. Then you click on that arrow and adjust it up so that you make sure that the circle cover all your hand when you threw it and when you remove your hand. So at this point you come and click on invert. Click on invert. Click on invert. After checking it now, you click on invert. So click on invert now. That is it. Yes, you can play the video now. Exactly. You can see it now. So this video is ready. Click on this one, make a split, delete this last part, we don't need it again. Let us see. Let's play the video and see what we have got. Let's play the video. Let us see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. Okay. At this point, calm down. After playing the video now, if you don't like how the video plays, you go and make the necessary adjustment. At this point, this video is ready. What we shall be doing now is to export it. So click on export and export your video to your gallery. After exporting it now, you can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Click on your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials and updates. Thank you and stay safe.